Obviously, East Anglia is the ideal place to be building offshore wind at scale. And in the last 5 years, you've really seen that going ahead, and East Anglia ONE is now under construction. And you can really just begin to see the impact it is having locally.
We're starting to see the investment in local port infrastructure. We're starting to see the local companies coming and supplying the project. We're starting to see jobs being created and skills being developed on the ground. And that's really important for us to show that we're delivering on our promises, and that will put us in a brilliant position for the rest of the East Anglia zone being built in the future.
It's important to plan properly, to put down foundations, and I'm seeing that. Obviously the O&M base, the operations and maintenance base, is being nearing completion in the Hamilton dock, and we are seeing young people, both and older people, moving into jobs in the offshore wind sector. And they're not just jobs that are here today, gone tomorrow, they're here for a long time.
We had to raise an awful lot of expectations about the opportunities that we would bring. So it's been extremely important from the very first day that we are able to deliver on the promises that we make, and we're able to fulfil the expectations that we've created. So what we've done is we've invested tens of millions of pounds in local port infrastructure. We've really worked hard to develop a competent local supply chain. We're working with local skills organisations and schools to develop a diverse and competent workforce. And that's going to be really important for us as we try and deliver the future project, but it's also allowing the local people, the local communities, to see that the opportunities that can come from these offshore wind projects are actually coming through.